Hello guys, I'm Anurag Idlabakar. Today's video is on Python Pandas and specifically it is for operations like filter and sorting. So we are going to see that how we can perform operations of filter and sorting on different data sets. Okay, so let us go ahead. So very first is we are taking Pandas library and we are taking NumPy library. Then we are taking one data set that is Chiptal data set is there. It is restaurant data and we are picking up this data and in this the data is separated by tab. So we are mentioning that as well because it is a tab separated data. Following is my data which is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and total 4,622 rows. Now, what I'm doing is I'm performing cleaning over my data. Now, right here, if you can see, okay, if you can see right here that my item price is associated with $sign. So all these values, suppose I want to perform some numeric, operation over it. So I need to first remove the $sign from it. Okay. So very first thing what I am doing is I'm picking up my column that is item price, and this item in this particular item price I'm applying that is 1 colon minus 1. So it will it will keep the value from this particular value of item price, and then we will apply float function on it, and then we are extracting the things. So what you will get right here is you will get that is item price, and we are again reassigning value price to item price, and then we are taking value where value is greater than 10. So here we have output. So the output is 1130. Total 1130 records are patched right here. Okay. Now next operation which we are going to perform on it, that is my I want to see what is the price of each item. Okay, I want to see price of each item. So what I will do is I will again pick it up my data set. In this particular data set, I will apply. That is, first of all, I will drop all the duplicate values. Then after dropping the duplicate values, I will see where quantity is equal to 1, and then I will also see item price and item name, and then I will apply sorting on the value that is item price. So I got following result. Now next one is where we are trying to see that what is my what will happen if I am applying sorting on item. Okay, if I am performing sorting on item, then what exactly I will write. So this is my it is df underscore. So this is my output. So values are sorted over item name. Okay. Same query you can also write in this particular way, where you are just simply sorting your data, that is chipotle dot sort value, and then using sort value function, you are mentioning your, so you got the output right here. Okay. And in the same way, what you can do is you can also find, like if you want to perform like you want to see quantity of most expensive item. Okay, so if you want to see that, then what you will do is you will simply take your data frame df underscore, and then I am applying. So this particular item is most costliest item in my in this particular. Now I want to perform to see that how many times veg salad bowl is ordered. Okay, I want to see veg salad bowl ordered. So I will simply pick it up my data set, and then so so I am getting following result. So these are the items where we have ordered veg bowl. Okay, and in the same way, if I want to see how many orders that has one canned soda, so again, what I will do is I will simply I will simply apply, that is so chipotle underscore, so it will give me how many orders are there for canned soda. So resultant is 20. So in this particular way, you can perform sorting and filtering over your data, and you can find out solutions with respect to that. Now I will take one more data set right here, and using this particular data set, I will show you how you can how you can perform this. Now previously we have imported the data directly from one URL. We picked up the data from GitHub location, and we picked up the raw data from there. Now we are using one dictionary, and using this dictionary, I am trying to create my data set, and then I will work on this particular thing. So I have created my data set. Sorry, I have picked up the data right here, and then what I'm doing is I'm creating using data frame, and I'm passing this raw data to it. So all the columns, and then I'm saying army. So this is my output. Then you have you want to see origin. Okay, so you are passing value, that is origin. So on the basis of origin, your data is now in front of you. Now understand this particular thing. We are setting it as index. Okay, so we are setting origin as index value for it. So now you can work using index value, and you can find any kind of solution with respect to that. Okay, now I want to see veterinars. So veterans, so I have passed the column name, and I got this particular value. Now I want to see veterinars, those who are, so I got these values right here from which location, and what are the people, how many number of people who died in this. Then I want to see, like again, simple thing, that is I want to see column value. So what are the different columns are there in my data set, in my data frame. And now on the basis of this, I want to, so I'm simply passing this value to it and trying to fetch the information. Next is I want to see row number 3 to 7 and column 3 to 5. So I will simply use ilog function for it, and I will fetch the information. So ilog and my value. So I got row number 3 to 7 and column number 3 to 6. Then I just want to see my complete data, and in this starting row number is 3. So this is my output. Now I want to see that so what I'm doing right here is I'm simply putting column 3, and it is giving me. Now next one is I want to select first, and so it will fetch all the rows. It will fetch all the rows, and it will take column 4 to 7. It will give me column 4 to 7. So output is my size, returners, and next one is where I want to see that how many people who died when they are more than 50. Okay, so this is my output. Now next one is where you are trying to see where death is greater than 500, and so for that particular block of values, these are my this is my output. I want to see or I want to say like all the regiments not named dragon. So what I will simply say like regiment. I will say regiment not equal to dragon, and then we have what we are doing is we are taking this one where values are Arizona to Florida, and all the columns, and in the same way we can have only two values, that there are only two values, that is Arizona and Texas, and I'm getting all the columns from it. And my last search is where I want to see Arizona and death. So it is giving me the figure. Arizona and size, and so in this way we have seen different functions related to sorting and related to filtering with two different data sets. Okay, let us try with one more. We have taken two examples. First example in which we are directly fetching using a URL. Second case where we are fetching information using a dictionary. And now what we are doing is we are picking up the data set. So let me pick the data set. Now, for this particular data set, I will simply I will simply use the function, and that is read CSV. So using read CSV, I got my data. It is for Euro 2012 team. So all the 16 teams are available in this chart. Now, next one is I want to see how many goals are done in this. So simply I will say goals. So I will get all the goals for all the teams, all 16 teams. Then I want to see that I want to see, so it is giving me result as 16. Now next one is, okay, I will show you the second value as well. So when you have shape is equal to 0 and shape is equal to 1, so it will give you what are the numbers of 16 is my number of rows and 35 is number of columns. Okay, so 0 stands for rows and 1 stands for column. So better to understand it like in a, that's why I have shown you both the values. Now info. So if you are saying info, so it will give you all the columns and respective data type for that. You have you can use describe function. Okay, you can use describe function and you can see statistics as well with respect to all the 35 columns of my data. Okay, next is I want to perform suppose I want to see only yellow cards, red cards and respective teams. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is I'm simply putting team, yellow cards and red cards. So how many per team these cards are there? So this is the complete list of that. I want to perform operation over I want to perform operation over my new data set, and I want to arrange the data in sorting order. So in on the top till bottom, these are the list of your cards. Okay, whatever cards are there, your ascending and descending sorry, your ascending is false. It means your data is in descending order. Okay, your data is in descending order. And first thing which you have taken is red card. So see, it is showing a red card first, and then on the basis of other values, it is showing you the yellow card value with respect to red card. Next one is where you are trying to where you are trying to see only mean of your yellow cards. So you are able to see that its mean is coming to 7. You want to see team which has done more than 6 goals. So these are the two teams which have done more than 6 goals. Next is you want to see that is team name starting with G. So Germany and Greece. So these two should be fetched in this. So this is your Germany and Greece. Absolutely correct. There is no issue. Then you have that is you want to see all the rows. Okay, you want to see all the rows and column 0 to 7. Okay, from column 0 to 7. So this is your output. Okay, now next thing you want to see is you want to see last 3 columns. Okay, you want to skip last 3 columns and see the remaining all. So this is in this way you can see all the columns skipping last 3 columns. Okay, next one is you want to you want to see the data so according to the shooting accuracy. Okay, so what you are doing right here is you are saying team shooting accuracy, and you are taking team England, Italy, and Russia. Okay, so both the things, wherever it is true, it will give you the resultant right there. Okay, so this is your last this is your last query. Now, guys, I was very fast, but this particular sheet will be available on GitHub, and its link will be available in the description section of this video. You can go through this. I have taken 3 examples for sorting and filtering. So you go through these examples properly, and wherever you are finding issue in that, you can write it down in comment section, and I will answer your questions. Okay, and I hope you like this video very much, and please like, subscribe, and press bell icon, and we will meet you again. Thank you very much.